Hi, I'm Randy Lewis, owner of IRS Tax Help Houston. I'm an enrolled agent, which is a tax practitioner licensed by the IRS to represent any taxpayer in all 50 states regarding any matter of federal taxation. I'd like to speak with you today for a few minutes on why you should choose IRS Tax Help Houston, as opposed to one of the many other companies out there that does IRS tax resolution. If you're having a problem with the IRS, there are a lot of companies you can choose from. A lot of them are very large, nationwide, but the problem is that these companies have thousands of clients, and if you read their online reviews, you'll see that many of the clients were complaining because their case kind of got lost in the shuffle, and no one at the company had any information about what the status of their case is. That's because they have many levels of employees. You have customer service, your case managers, and then you have your enrolled agents and CPAs that do the tax resolution work. And no one oftentimes returned their phone calls. And that was, of course, after they already paid their money. Nobody wants to be treated like that, especially when you're paying hundreds or thousands of dollars to get your tax problem resolved. I'm Randy Lewis, and I own this company. I was an IRS revenue officer for over 20 years, and I've been in private practice for 10 years. I'm licensed by the IRS, as I said, to represent anyone in all 50 states in any matter, whether it's an audit or a collection issue, IRS appeals, whatever your problem with the IRS is, I can help you with that. The companies that I mentioned before are oftentimes high-pressure salespeople that kind of force you into purchasing their services, promising you the world and delivering very little. Once again, read the online reviews. Don't take my word for it. At IRS Tax Help Houston, I will be the one working your case. When you call, you can speak to me, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions and give you a status update as far as what's going on with your case in the IRS. In order to make sure that all of my clients get the attention that they deserve, I limit the number of clients that I take on. That way, it ensures that your case gets the utmost attention that it deserves, and your case isn't going to fall through the cracks. I guarantee you. I keep in touch with my clients every step of the way, so they always know what the status of their case is. They deserve that. I know that your IRS tax problem is very important to you and probably causing you a certain amount of stress. I mean, if it wasn't, you probably wouldn't be watching this video. If you want your tax problems to be resolved by an experienced tax resolution specialist like myself, with over 30 years of experience, not to mention 20 of those years in the Internal Revenue Service, call me and we can work together to get your tax problem resolved and remove that stress from your life so you can just get back to living it and taking care of your family. IRS Tax Help Houston has the experience, the knowledge, and the personalized service that you need and you'll get in order to make it a very smooth process for you to get your tax problem resolved. Call me, Randy Lewis. I'm at 832-507-6124, and I'll give you a free consultation on the phone, give you an idea of the scope of your problem, and give you some alternatives as to possibly how it can be resolved, and we can go from there. I'm at 832-507-6124, or you can visit us on the web at irstaxhelphouston.com. Thanks.